Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase p and then look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. Lowercase p sits on the bottom line. Draw the tail first and then the circle, like this. Now let's look at some words. P for perfume. P for pineapple. P for pizza. P for Paris. And P for pear. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.